Hi everyone, today I will present Chapter 7, Polymer Structure, General Properties and Application. This topic is important because polymers are all around us from daily plastics to high-tech engineering materials. This presentation is prepared by Taura Review Putranesha, ID number 24055310072. Supervised by Prof. Dr. Cokoda Gede Tirtanidya from the Mechanical Engineering Program Study University of Udayana. Introduction. Polymers are large molecules made from repeating units called mers. Plastics are a major category of polymer that can be shaped and processed easily. They offer many advantages over metals such as low density, lightweight, low cost, corrosion resistant, ease of manufacturing. Historical natural polymer is like cellulose and rayon, where the first to be used. Then synthetic polymer emerged starting from bakelite, followed by mass production polyethylene, which revolutionized the plastic industry. Table 7.1, where we see major polymer types and their categories. This table helps us distinguish between thermoplastics, thermostats, elastomers. This group define how polymer behave under heat and mechanical loads, which we will explore in detail later. Figure 7.1. This figure shows the basic structure of polymer chains. The long molecular chains are responsible for the unique mechanical and thermal properties of plastic. Difference in chain length, branching, bonding, and crystallinity lead to a wide range of behavior. The structure of polymer. This section explains how polymer structure is formed from smaller molecules. 2K definition. Monomer, a single small molecule. Polymer, a long chain of repeating units. Mers. We will explore how these chains are formed through polymerization and how structure affect properties. Figure 7.2. This figure illustrates polymer chains at different levels of organization. Some polymers are random or flexible, while others form more rigid ordered structure. This arrangement strongly affects stiffness, strength, and melting behavior. Figure 7.3, where we see different chains configuration, linear, branch, and cross-linked. Linear can pack closely, higher crystallinity. Branch, less dense packing, softer. Cross-linked, strong 3D network, typical in thermoset. The structural differences are key to mechanical performance. Figure 7.4. The figure shows complements which combine two or more different mers. There are several types: random copolymer, alternating copolymer, block copolymer, graph copolymer. This structure allows tailored mechanical and thermal properties. Example: ABS, strong impact resistant plastic used in helmets. Figure 7.5. Here we observe how polymer can fall into crystalline, lamellae, and amorphous regions. More crystalline are stronger but less flexible. Example: HDPE has high crystalline stiffness. LDPE has many grains flexible. Figure 7.6. This figure highlights how secondary bonding affect polymer behavior. Weak van der Waals bonds, softer plastic, strong hydrogen bonding across linking, high strength. Example, nylon has hydrogen bonds got wear resistant. Example, dental and medical bond cement. Polymer PMMA is an acrylic polymer commonly used in the dental and medical application and adhesive and is often referred to as bond. Comment there are a number from PMMA, but this example describes one common from inflowing and addition polymer reaction PMMA delivered to parts powder and liquid which are mixed by hand. The liquid wets and partly dissolves the powder, resulting in a liquid with viscosity on the order of 0.1 ns per meter quadrat, similar to that of vegetable oil. The viscosity increases rapidly until a dough state in about 5 minutes. The dough fully hardens in an addition 5 minutes. The powder consists of high molecular weight particles about 50 in diameter and containing a small fraction of benzoyl peroxide. The liquid consists of a methyl number with small amount of dissolved dimethyl DMPT. When the liquid and powder are mixed, the MMA wet the particles, the benzoyl molecule into two parts from a catalyst with a free electron. This catalyst causes rapid growth of PMMA from the MMA mass so that the final Figure 7.7 Polymer change experience enhancement. This contributes to viscoelastic properties, grip behavior under load, strain rate sensitivity. Example, plastic bags stretch slowly under weight that is grip. Crystallinity and glass transition. Amorphous polymer have random chain. Argument transparent crystalline polymer have ordered regions, opaque and stronger. Two critical temperatures. Glass transition temperature, material turns rubbery. Melting temperature, crystalline region melty. The temperature determine processing and application condition. Figure 7.8. This diagram shows specific volume versus temperature. Below TG, polymer is rigid and glassy. Between TG and TM, rubbery. Above TM, viscose melt can be shaped. Example, PVC becomes soft and flexible near TG. Figure 7.9 explain how cooling rate influences crystallinity. Slow cooling, stronger, stiffer. Fast cooling, amorphous, more flexibly. Manufacturing process must consider this factor. Table 7.2. This table lists tag values from common polymer. Knowing TG help choose the right polymer for temperature range. Example, polystyrene TG 100 Celsius become brittle in cold condition. Polymer blends. Polymer blends mix different polymer to combine best properties, similar to metal alloys in metallurgy. Example, ABS top impact resistant, AIPS polystyrene plus rubber, less brittly. Building is cheaper than inventing a new polymer. Thermoplastic. Thermoplastics soften when heated and harden on cooling. Reversible, this makes them traceable and easy to process. Mechanical behavior depends on temperature, strain rate, application, bottles, packaging, car, bumper, pipettes. Figure 7.10 showing Viscoelastic behavior. Polymers deform like both solid and liquids. Loading speed affects strength. Fast load stronger, like shaping and plastic roller. Slow load creep over time. Figure 7.11. Stress strain curve show a transition from glassy, rubbery, viscose as temperature increases. Figure 7.12 demonstrates temperature effect: cold, stiff, and brittly; heat, flexible, and ductile. Example: plastic hose becomes steel at night but soft under sunlight. Figure 7.13 explain creep deformation, continuous deformation under constant load. Engineers must design to avoid long-term failure. Example: use electrical conduction polymers in renewable batteries. One of the earliest applications of conducting polymer was in renewable batteries. Modern lithium renewable batteries use lithium or oxide lithium, the cathode, and lithium carbide as the another sparked by conducting polymer layer. Lithium is used because it is lightest of all metals and has a high electromechanical potential so that its energy per volume is highest. The polymer usually polyethylene oxide. White the dissolved lithium salt is placed between the cathode and anode during discharge of the battery, emitting free electron and lithium ions. The electron drive external electron and the ions are stored in the polymer. When the cathode is depleted, the battery must be recharged to restore the cathode during charging. Transferred through the polymer electrolytes, the cathode lithium-ion batteries have good capacity, can generate up to 4.5 volt, and can be placed in series to obtain higher voltage. Battery cells are now being developed in which both electrodes are made of conducting polymers. One has been contacted with a capacity of 3.5 volt. Thermosting plastic. Thermos cannot be removed on cured. Irreversible reaction they from strong cross-linked structure. Properties: high stiffness and strength, high thermal stability, widely failure. Example: epoxy adhesives, phenolic circuit board. Additives in plastic. Additives modify material performance. Fillers increase strength, plasticizers, and flexibility in soft PVC. Stabilizer protect against UV or heat. Color and flame retardants, appearance and safety. Additives expand polymer application. General properties and application of thermoplastic. Overview of common thermoplastic: ABS, PVC, PP, PA, PC, PTFE, etc. Example: PC transparent shielding in helmets, PTFE non-stick cookware and chemical seals. Its plastic is chosen based on chemical resistance, strength, and cost. Table 7.3. This table compares properties like tensile strength, density, and TG. It helps engineers select material for specific needs. And table 7.4 contains additional thermoplastic property data. Likewise, polymer help reduce fuel waste, better fuel efficiency. General properties and application of thermosting plastics. Example and uses: epoxies, aerospace composite, phenolics, electrical insulation, silicones, heat-resistant coatings. The most excel in high temperature and structural application. Example: materials for a refrigerator door liner. In the selection of candidate materials for a refrigerator door liner, the following factors should be considered: 1. Mechanical requirement: strength, toughness, stiffness, resilience, and resistance to stretching and wear at operating temperatures. 2. Physical requirement: dimensional stability and electrical insulation. 3. Chemical requirement: resistant to staining, odor, chemical reaction with food and perverts and cleaning fluids. 4. Appearance: color, stability of color, surface, finish, texture, and fit. 5. Manufacturing properties, methods, and manufacturing and assembly effect of process on material properties and behavior over a period of time, compatibility with other components in the door, and cost of materials and manufacturing. An extensive study considering all of the factors involved in the pilot to candidate materials for door liner, ABS, and HIPS. One aspect of the study involved the effect vegetable oils such as from salad dressing stored in the doors on the strength of those plastic. Experiments showed that the price of vegetable oils significantly reduced the load-bearing capacity of hips. It has found the hips becomes brittle in the presence of oils, whereas ABS is not affected to any significant extent. Biodegradable plastic, growing importance due to environmental concern, often used in packaging, medical implants, disposable products. Feature focus improving degradation rates and cost efficiency. Elastomers or rubbers. Elastomers are rubber-like polymer with very low Tg, large reversible deformation. Application: tires, seals, shock absorbers. Figure 7.13 Typical load engulfing curve for rubber. The clockwise loop indicates in the loading and the unloading paths. Display the hysteresis loss. Hysteresis give rubber the capacity to dissipate energy that we from and absorb shock. Energy them fiber and absorb shock loading as in necessary in automobile tires and in vibration damper tests under machinery. Summary: Key loading points. Polymer structure determines properties. The thermoplastic versus thermostats versus elastomers. Influence of additives and crystallinity. Performance tailored to engineers' needs. Polymers will continue to grow in manufacturing and sustainability roles. Thank you for listening. I will come and discuss resin polymers application in real engineering case. Thank you.